Previously on D-Class Build Battle.
Here's Andy's Toyota Celica. The weather's taken its toll on this, which you can clearly see it's lived outside for a while of its life. Hello and welcome back to the Build Battle. In today's new class video we'll be stripping down the 190 ready for a half roll cage, which has kindly been sponsored to us by McEwans Customs.
Yeah, I mean we've taken pretty much all of the interior out. Obviously it makes it a lot easier for us to get the roll cage fitted. We can find the best locations with it back to the bones. So yeah, we're just going to go back from there really.
Let's go see how we've done it.
How's it going, boys? How's it going? How's my seat repair? Why have you got all the seats out? Come and have a look at this side.
That suits you too well, John.
Why is all the door cards on?
What do you think?
Hey?
What do you think?
Well, I don't know.
Easy access, John.
Oh, I hope you're gonna go back all right. And you put it back together.
John, what's up with your car?
Is that the boss?
Yeah.
Thank you. Only came in for a seat repair. What have you done to it? I might have to make a complaint. Anyway, I'll let you carry on, boys. I'm gonna have a cup of tea.
John's trying to get in the boot.
You can, by all means, get in the boot. Go
I'll
on.
fit a tiny man like
I'll
you.
help you. Go on, JK, come on. Come on. Hi, JK. In you go.
Oh no, we're not on job.
On job. We haven't got the key for this.
Jengo,
JK. JK.
stick your head out here, mate.
So, as a surprise for these guys, we've got a Evo 2 kit here for the 190. This is what we chose for the full exterior look of the car, just to go with the race theme that we're aiming for. Should that be set? I guess that's on the... Yeah, that's on the...
Yeah, just on the edge.
What?
There's another part that goes in there.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know where that is. So,
What? It's not original.
here's an arch. You got a blade?
No, we've been using...
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, genuine.
No, on the actual glass.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
It's got AMG on it as well.
Front arch, where's the rear? Where's the rear? Let's try and that's the rear. I don't know what side though. That's that side rear. Yeah, open up the other part of the wing.
Yeah, that way. Yeah.
So thank you to Tops Body Kits for providing the kit for us, which you will see us fitting in future videos. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please like, share, subscribe and join us to see where this build goes. Of a more modern GT. Battle. Today we are stripping out the. Take it down. Today,
I'm just trying to stay loose.
This is our Mercedes.
let's head over and see how the team's getting on. Just get a full roll cage. Right, I changed it. Who've kindly sponsored us with a half roll cage.
Yeah, we've pretty much got most of the interior out now. The guys are just taking the headlining out lastly. It makes this easier for us. No, it. It.
Hold on.
Last episode we will be stripping down the 190E ready for the roll cage. I said 190E and it really threw me.
190.
Hello and welcome back to the build battle. I was smiling too much because I was still laughing.
Next time on D-Class Build Battle.
Look at that.